Etiefo we die ansa ne be sha ase na me bese metu njumbi asem papa ba mati oye asem papa bia mati ni se Yesu yodo oye Ekufuado president enjom ba kwa wo pe ni wiase mu ni na gospel ba kwa wo pepan eye enjom we asem papa bia mati eni se woye asem ne sen Ghana fo and then Ghana for bebre na womoni ewu Ghana for do bebre na womoni ayeden ewu obi be bisa say ada na make say Ghana for ni ewu etiefo Fela Makafui any medical womo na awari ye o Fela Makafui ni medical aye wedding na etiefo me ni wo ka say wedding papa now, meaning say it will come as a shock to a lot of people. For me, it's not even a shock. Last week. Then America last year. Me niya diablo social and America. Last week, ena minyante say medical one fella one more babe worry. I thought it was a joke until say 2 days ago. Me who say Chris Waddle, a medical ne Godfather, at Snapchat say. Hey, medical, I am very proud of you. And I mean, say, and they in the crack. You be one to say, Endra, bridal shower. Course, and I, my friend is saying, no, and bridal shower, bachelor's night to say, then, was them brother for no more by your wedding a day before, in band by your party, now, be man, saw your party. Video be leaky, and I mean, who and I say, hey, Felani and Crow for it's here for, and I mean, say, Hey, Fela Makafui ni medical yes e wo mu date. Metumi atro Ghana fo atwam anu si omo so. Enne mo be break up. Enne medical ye de be yaw, enne de ndey kakalika lab chese. We need ya. Enkrofo mienu aye omo adwen se wo mo be ka bom. Akwa date no. Etiefo. Enkrofo mienu aka bom se wo be ka bom e date no. Na fe Ghana fa mo asem ato omuti so se dokono di omo asem ene mo kra de we hwe na wo medical wenya wo bi ti se sister Debia we jane kwa akofa Fela medical we nim bie pa masa ye se de woti ni ja ho na wo nim se ne ye hyehye ne fa wo de woti ni ja ho ene nim se ne ye hyehye ne fa medical ne Fela wo mu date how long me nya sure say do 2 years crying but see and then womo worry fefe womo worry fefe mattress for me ni agye he because medical ne Fela nsem we buy me babonti be ka se Ghana fu emu nja de mo ye no ase se ni amo pese medical will break Fela heart se ni ode ye sister Debbie no mo pese medical o ye Fela the same aden na motisa aden Fela kwa Fela kwa medical if Debbie nsem na Fela anya de Fela kwa medical masa me de bia meka obe me bia wo pese ye ginu no ma ye ginu in fact anya be ma wo banso wo be bia wo pese ye ginu e no ma ye ginu se nkrofu tu edeti na ba ko eja ba ko na okofa ba ko a edi enti na Ghana fo na e wo se mo kokota ba ko echi. Ever since medical and Fela decided to date, negative energy in kwa na data umochi. Negative energy in kwa any say in some way ye kafa wo mo ho. Wo bi nya ya na ka mo date ni ka egu na Fela ni megu ase. Embra news ba bontin say Fela ni medical wo mo a break up na fe be he and we told you so and you say you catch her or the aye we na Ghana for sre and there muna mo she ho no and there muna mo she ho no o feature wedding na sinjuma ye boy review then show go ka face campaign o feature and o feature ka face campaign o feature and no na ye bo e wo wedding na say just say Ghana for campaign. When we make us add the China, me just say yes, me niaje because I say we buy no. Just say me kebi ma Fela ma fe go for create di matem. Me go for di matem say da bi de me ye na nye. adena me fo fela so fela kwa koji wo bi boy e na me say masa sansem no munja I can me I believe in a saying in this world. Now saying they say don't allow your boyfriend to prevent you from meeting your husband, and now don't allow your girlfriend to prevent you from meeting your wife. That does say that only obi twin pina e pina keke na mo twi e no interest say any pa ko na obe ware no. Don't allow some pina twi na wo twi no e be prevent you say ebia wo be ko baby akwa akosia wo yere ana wo kunu. So that is me, that is what I live by. That is what I live by. And family home, me new oba bi twin pina ende no wo jai me no konya wo be ma bi e ware na. And family home, and then say oba no, she didn't allow me and a boyfriend no. She didn't allow me to prevent her from meeting her husband. It's simple. If you ask the sa, a young uncle who say, oh, we anyway date here and they're fine. And I Ghana for me say Ghana for to me the a sister Debbie picture the tour. No more the fella picture about the tour. No more see and you say medical pan. Now when your Debbie for say, oh John Massa, me say the what in the jaho and the name say near a the what in it who no name say yes she fa sister Debbie ni medical we na hu nim de ntia ojan no ebi sister Debbie ni ho fe abontin sa but deep down unim ebi na suban bi won ho medical no won pe na so ga na yet na abontin ye ka ene hwe we sister Debbie fe we e masa mo de minim ebi mo no minim de ye mo say aware no ene ne ye aware no e ya ho fe ne ye ware won. Yes, say wa ho fe e de wo beko. Wa ho fe de wo beko, usuban e de wo beba. Now people say that, tell me the truth. Mon kan the trenche me. Inti fela makafo yo, just fela makafo ni ho nye fa na. Fela makafo ni ho nye fa na. Fela makafo here say wo dating medical. And ye Ghana for and ye achil na ye body ye bonity just say fela makafu de mo pesa mo just say wonu de ne hu nya fekra na so omo wo mu didi fela makafu ya tem no fela makafu hu fekra say wo mo girlfriends 100 times na so social media e san say bando e cheap ninti na wa bet na social media e di fela makafu ya tem e say di impoto meanwhile unya ne kranka ope meanwhile unya ne kra na ka o ye den ope. It's for and only idea edao medical and fela makafu and that me no ka say sisi me no ka say there our reso wo mo aware fe wo mo aware fe where the India mama ni age just say me ni fela makafu any medical if me ni I don't know any of them from anywhere but where the ama me ni age obi beka so wo mo yenkola enehwe yeah I know someone team minimum bia yes and the to de bia me say December yeah family reunion December na me call family reunion na me auntie and mama foot so strong o mama foot so strong and I young boys ye wo ho ni say hey wo bia enim na wo de oba bi ba fie se wo be ware no na sa ne pakunu oba ma no wondi 30 and above mo nya na adwo se wo de oba ba wo no me auntie no one penny e bo se wo di 30 and above me auntie ni fie ho sa ne mba nia wo ye below 30 na so ko ware a one penny because she believes in something and the crack ebi mu obeka se aware ne de ewa nti eni kwan se wo pre wo ho se wo ye young wo ye 25 23 26 ona e wo se wo to bo ase asem na mo kan nya eye ne crack but you see sometimes it works for people sometimes too it doesn't work for some people osofo kese to say Archbishop Duncan Williams ono de wo se wo ware ye no na we di around 26 25 the first marriage and working amano I know of other people that were first marriage anye juma momo because no more can so they married very early na abrabo no mo nhye dan hu so ye wo mu hia wo ba na ye mo say no anom ko ware no elekre etaisi but there are equally some people that wo mo so aye juma momo and that me no ka say they are power couples nti sa de ne de eye obia ne niti obi wo ha eye juma ma no obi wo ha enye juma ma na aware sa na eti me kai prior tietia asembia Zion Felix interview na wo kan wo say aware de se ne eti no untumi nkofa wo bia wawe obi a wawe enfa beto wo de ho eno ni mistake agana for bebre ohun ni say abrantie we na wawe etu mpompa okobisa obeka so me yere de me tiatia na me ye ni say ebia wo de no koya enu mo be ma wawe negu what you say into obia na wawe ene ne style medical we did 26 fella we did 24 they are very very young but they love each other and almost say omo ware and omo ware and me no ka say omo ware fe it's for into no montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu ebi mo so ka say o fella makafu nyem intia na medical aware no whichever way ya ware because that's how it could actually be true because this time around we share a lot of marriages are Ubon say yin say ne ba na family na ka say yin say ya ba dia e wo say oye den oye ye ba ne ho ade na che say omo akwa akoye ne ho ade ye danyankopon ase etiefo ye danyankopon ase mo ntre mo ade comment box ni mo me da ase